Are you considering remodeling a single room, a bathroom, or possibly your entire home? Are you in search of an experienced remodeling company? If so, you've come to the right place. At Wescom, we are proud to be one of the top local home remodeling services, and we can help you design and remodel as much or as little of your home as you desire. Wescom specializes in kitchens, bathrooms, tile and hardwood flooring, molding and paint. We can give you an all-inclusive quote to get your renovation project done from start to finish. We are a full-service, fully insured company that prides itself on being professional, courteous, reliable and affordable. Contact Wescom now for a free, no-obligation consultation on your home remodeling project. Call now at 504-358-9139.